close up early.
You said you were going to text me.
I got into Liverpool.
Really?
Yeah.
I knew you'd do it. Well done, babe. Right, so now we get everyone together, celebrate and have a party.
Oh, Jay, I don't know.
Shut up. All that worry, all that work. You have a bit of fun.
Yeah, but after all that stuff last night with Phil, I just don't think people will be in the party mood. So.
What's more of a reason for everyone to get together, have a laugh?
Well, I'd rather just do something me and you know? All right, Jay, but really no fuss, like...
No fuss. Well done.
I'll see you later.